Okay, this is Hazem Khalaf from katyaTutorials.blogspot.com. Today I'm going to create like a handle that I'm going to use in it's not actually a handle, it's a handle support that I'm going to use in the toggle clamp. I will create part design. Let's call it handle support. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to choose the ZX plane and I will use the sketch mode. I will go here. I will draw a circle. This circle will have a diameter of 7 millimeter. Okay, and it will have inner circle. Okay, now we will dimension this inner circle. It will have a diameter of 3 millimeter, and we will simply create another circle. It will be here. It will also have a diameter of 7 millimeter. And inner circle of 3 millimeter. Okay. I'm going to make like construction lines. One here, and I will also construct another line here. These are, auxiliary lines that do not really take place in our model. They are just auxiliary. I will tell you now their use. I'm going to make a dimension constraint between this line and okay. Again, I will make a dimension between this line here and this point the center point. Let's make it by coincidence, by constraint tool. First we will choose the point, and then using the control key I will choose also this line. I will go to the constraint and I will choose distance, and this distance is going to be 16 millimeter. Again, I will make another constraint here between this point, the center of this circle, and this line using the control key as well. I will make another constraint, which is the distance. This distance is 9 millimeter. Okay, now I'm going to draw a line from here till here, and another line from here till here. But actually I need these lines to be not auxiliary, I need them to be part of my design, so I will choose them and I'll go to this tool and I'll click this tool. Okay, now they became normal lines. I'll do now the same here. I'll draw one line here. And another line here. Okay, now I'm going to draw one line from here till here. This line will be it will be 24.5. Okay, now I'm going to draw another line here that will have a dimension of 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter. I'm sorry, it will be 8 millimeter. And then I'll draw another line from here till here. Okay, actually I'm going to make constraint on this line. I need it to be horizontal, so I'll go and choose horizontal, and also for this line I need it to be horizontal. Now I want to create a 3 millimeter corners here. We will type 3 millimeter, and I'll also make another one here that will also be 3 millimeter. Another one here, it will be 3 millimeter as well. So I would also like to make another one here that will also be 3 millimeter. It is impossible to trim a lengthened element. Do you want to convert? Yes, I want to convert it. So now I will go choose this trim tool and I'll choose these lines. Please double click if you want it to be if you want to use it several times, and I will do it here and here. Okay, this is not good, you know. So I would like to simply let's make this one smaller radius, and let's make this one of smaller radius. Let's make it 2 millimeter. Now it's okay, I think. Okay, now that I'm done, I will exit the sketcher and I will make extrude or pad, I want it to have a thickness of 2 millimeter. Okay, I want to make it of 2 millimeter, but just let it be 20 millimeter because I want to do other operations. I'll go click OK.